Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question. X plus 7 equals 10. X plus 7 squared is y. Which ordered pair x and y is a solution to the given systems of equations? A 3 and 100, B 3 and 3, C 3 and 10, and D 3 and 70. So x plus 7 equals 10. There are different ways of solving this question, but let me show you the very first one. If x plus 7 equals 10, what's the value of x? In this case, when you take away 7 from 10, you're supposed to take away 7 from both sides to isolate the x. So technically x will be 3. Then you can go ahead and substitute the value of 3 in this parentheses. So 3 plus 7 squared will be the value of y. And the 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 squared is the value of y. 10 times 10 is 100. So the value of y is 100. X is 3. And your answer will be, based on this, 3 and 100. The other way of solving this is the first way. The other way of solving this problem is, let me show you. Since x plus 7 is given as 10, this is x plus 7 squared. So this will be 100, because this will be automatically 10 squared is equal to y, then 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Then you can find the value of y as 100. Then you can just go do the vice versa. You already found the value of 100 in here, and if you could just look at the choices you've been given, the value of y is only in this choice. The choice of A is the answer. You can just go ahead and select the choice A based on this solution. Or you can just solve them separately, each questions, and you find the value of y. Here is 100, and x plus 7 is equal to 10. You're supposed to take away 7 from each side to isolate the x. 10 minus 7 is 3. So again, we got 3 and 100. In this order pair, you're supposed to write x first, and this is the value of y. You need to pay attention to that. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hope to see you around. Thank you.